Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and I'm hoping people you enjoying your weekend, having fun with family and friends. Me? I'm at work. All right, you all, listen, this watch face is super boss. It's an analog watch face by Boogaloo. This guy gets down on some analog watch faces and it's worthy of a download in the Gear Manager store. And along with that, the watch face is free. Now, this video is not going to do it justice, people. You got to go check this out for yourself. Download it, put it on your wrist, have a look at it. If you don't like it, then you can undownload it. Okay? Now, the name of the watch face is called Boogaloo Power Steps. Screens premium and luxury all day. Even in the always on mode, you're going to get the same luxury look as if the watch face was on. But let's have a look at it when it's on. Now, what I like is the detailing of the watch face, especially the index that's going around the bezel of the watch. The blending of the two-tone colors looks superb. Now, the hands, screens premium all day, people. And you know how I feel about a second hand that's smoothly ticking around the bezel of the watch. You got the name of the developer at the top, get your date down here at the bottom, get your battery info, step info right there, and it is inactive. So if I double tap on the logo, I can pull up an alarm and set that. Also, if I double tap right here, for those of you all who want to keep up with your steps, the developer got you, people. The developer got you. And then double tap right here, you're going to be able to get your battery percentage. And down at the bottom where the date is, just double tap and you can bring up your calendar, check out your next and upcoming event, and you all good. Remember, people, this video is not going to do this justice so far as the color and the true look and theme of this watch face. Check this out in the Gear Manager store. I will leave a link in the description box down below to make it easier for you all to get to. All right, you all, continue to enjoy family and friends, eat well, have fun, be merry, do everything you need to do on your 4 or 2 days off while you can. All right, you all, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please, by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Happy Thanksgiving.